Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about Amrita University or Amrita vidyapeetham, and it's about their engineering entrance exam AEEE, which is around the corner, right? So you can basically download your admit card immediately after the slot booking, and the phase 1 exam date is going to be February 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. So those are the 3 days which are provided for 2025 phase 1 exams, right? Now talking about the phase 2. So phase 2 dates are not yet out. So exam dates will be notified soon. So accordingly, the slot booking date, start date, as well as the admit card download date will be notified later. Now talking about the preparation for the entrance exam, and it is a step-by-step guide. So first step is you should understand the exam pattern itself, right? So if you see that it is a computer-based test, and physics, chemistry, and maths, those are the main topics, right, in AEEE 2025, and the total marks is 300, and the total duration which is provided is 2.5 hours or 150 minutes. So I will also tell you how to prepare for the mock test and every part in this particular video, and the link also for the same. So as you know, the marking scheme is that +3 marks for each correct answer and -1 mark for each incorrect answer. And if you see the approximate weightage, maths is of higher weightage and mathematics is 40% weightage, physics is 30%, and chemistry is 30%. Topic wise, if you want to prepare well, these are the topics which you should focus more. 6-7 topics I will give. For mathematics, differential and integral calculus is very important, and good number of questions are asked from these topics. Next is the vector algebra, so that is also important, and matrices and determinants. Other important topics on math side you should be focusing on is like trigonometry, probability and statistics, coordinate geometry, complex numbers, and sequence and series. These 8 topics are very important. If you put some important good practice around these 8 topics in the maths, it will be good. Not talking about the physics, like physics, some topics on the class 11th like mechanics, and then topics on the class 12th like electrostatic, current, electricity, and electromagnetic induction, AC currents, and all, optics, right? Those are the 4-5 main topic areas you should concentrate. Apart from that, thermodynamics, modern physics, properties of matters, and oscillation and waves. So total 8 topics which I have given is like maximum questions asked from these topics. Now talking about the chemistry. So chemistry also, physical chemistry is an important part you studied in class 11th, atomic structure, chemical kinetics, thermodynamics. And then from the organic chemistry side, hydrocarbons, alcohols, phenols, ethers, those are the important parts we should concentrate. And from the inorganic chemistry side, again, periodic table is important topic, and chemical bonding, and those regular questions are asked from those topics. Now the recommended books, right, for mathematics, and definitely for all these exams, and in AEEE, NCERT mathematics is very important. So you should basically have a good grasp on class 11 and class 12 NCERT mathematics. Then either of these 2 books, either you study from R.D. Sharma for class 12, or you take Arihant for JEE, right? So that will be sufficient for your mathematics for AEEE 2025. Physics also same thing, NCERT physics class 11 12 is very important. And apart from that, SC Verma's concept of physics, right, volume 1 and volume 2 will be good, if you want to practice good number of conceptual questions, right? And chemistry, again, class 11th and 12 chemistry is very important. From the NCERT perspective, a lot of questions are direct questions which is picked from there. And for chemistry, if you want to refer to additional material, then OP Tandon's, physical, organic, and inorganic, you can refer. And for only physical chemistry, RC Mukherjee is also good. So you can take that also, help for AEEE 2025. Now, fourth will be a good study plan. So allocate 3 to 4 hours daily. Now, last week is there. So I'll also talk about the mock test strategy, but divide your time equally among maths, physics, and chemistry, even if you're going for the second round of phase 2, right? And next is practicing the mock test. So this is the most important thing. You have to solve previous year's question papers to understand the pattern, right? And Amrita specific mock tasks are also available, and I will talk about them, and it will help you improve your performance. So this is basically AEEE, JEEE, JEE 2025. It will be helpful, and this is provided by Amrita themselves for the preparation. So they have these Sunday sessions which help you score more marks. For that, you have to register on the Amrita main website, which is amritacbtpractice.in. So if you register there, you'll be able to access the mock test, right? And they have also, Amrita themselves provide for guidance on the STEM Surge program, right, where engineering problem solving workshops are there. So you can register them also. Every Thursday it is conducted on the Zoom call for class 11th and 12th. That material also you can access. Similarly, for Amrita Engineering Entrance Test Practice, they have basically this sessions, right, which I mentioned, where they give total 50 questions, short format, mathematics 25, chemistry 20, and physics 5 questions, and they make it practice. This is what is mentioned, it online non-proctored mode of practice mock test every Sunday 4 to 5:30 p.m. it is available. So you can go beyond the phase 1. Also, you can keep practicing there. So apart from mock test practice, also time management is very important, and you should be solving within time limit. So create a short tricks for maths and physics which can be used in your exam. So if I have to summarize all the tips which I have given, is that focus on NCERT books for conceptual clarity, and then don't ignore the important formulas. A lot of questions are directly taken from the physics and maths formula, and you should practice the numerical problems every day, right? And you should take a proper breaks and have a schedule to don't get burnout, right? So that's all. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on all the exams across India. Take care.